my name is Sara, and I wanted to tell you a little bit of what I think of Wholesaling Inc. I love Wholesaling Inc. I just joined the tribe towards the end of last summer. I started marketing in October and just closed on my first deal a couple of days ago, and it felt great. I have another deal under contract right now and a few more in the pipeline that I am planning to get under contract and assign soon. The whole experience has been awesome. It's not always been easy, but it's been pretty simple to follow. The Wholesaling Inc. program lays everything out for you step by step. Tom, Cody, Bill, everybody on the team is super helpful, genuine, kind, and they really genuinely want us to succeed, and that just kind of fuels your fire. So I just wanted to say that if you are considering maybe joining the tribe of Wholesaling Inc., I would highly recommend it. I knew nothing about real estate or wholesaling really before I joined the tribe, and I went from knowing absolutely nobody, and now I have a huge network of investors and cash buyers and lenders, and you name it. I'm making connections everywhere. It pushed me out of my comfort zone, and I am really happy with the path that I'm on because of Wholesaling Inc.